हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, या एज्युकेशनल चॅनलवर तुमचे स्वागत. स्टडी फन अंतर्गत आज आपण पुढील व्हिडिओ बघणार आहोत. नवीन व्हिडिओ बघण्यासाठी खालील सबस्क्राईब बटनला क्लिक करा व नोटिफिकेशनसाठी बेल आयकॉन प्रेस करा. तर चला बघूया. लॉज ऑफ मोशन, स्टँडर्ड 9, चॅप्टर 1, पार्ट 2. Exercises. 1. Match the first column with appropriate entries in the second and third columns and remake the table. Question column. Answer. Serial number 1. Column 1. Negative acceleration. Column 2. The velocity of the object decreases. Column 3. A vehicle moving with the velocity of 10 meter per second stops after 5 seconds. Serial number 2. Positive acceleration. The velocity of the object increases. A car initially at rest reaches a velocity of 50 km per hour in 10 seconds. Serial number 3. Zero acceleration. The velocity of the object remains constant. A vehicle is moving with a velocity of 25 meter per second. 2. Clarify the differences. A. Distance and displacement. Answer. 1. Distance. Distance is the length of the actual path followed by a body between the points under consideration. Displacement. Displacement is the shortest distance from the initial point to the final point of movement of a body. 2. It does not have direction. It has direction. 3. Its magnitude is greater than or equal to that of displacement. Its magnitude is less than or equal to that of distance. B. Uniform and non-uniform motion. Answer. 1. Uniform motion. A body is said to have uniform motion when it covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. Non-uniform motion. A body is said to have a non-uniform motion when it covers an unequal distances in equal intervals of time. 2. In this case, the speed of the body is constant. In this case, the speed of the body is not constant. 3. Complete the following table. Answer. Data. U equal to 2 meter per second. A equal to 4 meter per second square. T equal to 3 second. V equal to question mark. Formula. V equal to U plus AT. By putting the value in the formula, we get V equal to 2 meter per second plus in bracket 4 meter per second into 3 second. Bracket complete. V equal to 2 meter per second plus in bracket 12 meter per second. Therefore, V equal to 14 meter per second. 2. Data. A equal to 5 meter per second square. T equal to 2 seconds. V equal to 20 meter per second. U equal to question mark. Formula. V equal to U plus AT. By putting the values in the formula, we get 20 meter per second equal to U plus 10 meter per second. Therefore, U equal to 20 minus 10 meter per second. Therefore, U equal to 10 meter per second. 1. Data. U equal to 5 meter per second. A equal to 12 meter per second square. t equal to 3 seconds, s equal to question mark. Formula s equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. By putting the values in the formula, we get s equal to 5 meter per second into 3 second plus 1 upon 2 into 12 meter per second square into 3 seconds bracket square. Therefore, s equal to 15 meter plus 1 upon 2 into 108 meter. Therefore, s equal to 15 meter plus 54 meter. Therefore, s equal to 69 meter. 2. Data. U equal to 7 meter per second. T equal to 4 second. S equal to 92 meter. A equal to question mark. Formula S equal to ut plus 1 upon 2 at square. By putting the values in the formula, we get 92 meter equal to 7 meter per second into 4 second plus 1 upon 2 a into 4 second bracket square. Therefore, 92 meter equal to 28 meter plus 1 upon 2 a into 16 second square. Therefore, 92 meter equal to 28 meter plus a into 8 second square. Therefore, 92 meter minus 28 meter equal to a into 8 second square. Therefore, a equal to 64 meter upon 8 second square. Therefore, a equal to 8 meter per second square. 1. Data. U equal to 4 meter per second. A equal to 3 meter per second square. V equal to 8 meter per second square. S equal to question mark. Formula V square equal to U square plus twice AS. By putting values in the formula, we get 8 meter per second whole square equal to 4 meter per second whole square plus 2 into 3 meter per second square into S. Therefore, 64 into meter per second whole square equal to 16 into meter per second whole square plus 6 meter per second square into S. Therefore, 48 into meter per second whole square equal to 6 meter per second square into S. Therefore, S equal to 48 into meter per second whole square divided by 6 meter per second square. Therefore, we get S equal to 8 meter. 2. Data. A equal to 5 meter per second square. V equal to 10 meter per second. S equal to 8.4 meter. U equal to question mark. Formula V square equal to U square plus twice AS. By putting values in the formula, we get 10 meter per second whole square equal to U square plus 2 into 5 meter per second square into 8.4 meter. Therefore, 100 into meter per second whole square equal to U square plus 10 meter per second square into 8.4 meter. Therefore, U square equal to 100 into meter per second whole square minus 84 meter per second whole square. Therefore, U square equal to 16 meter per second whole square. Therefore, U equal to 4 meter per second. 4. Complete the sentences and explain them. A. The minimum distance between the start and finish points of the motion of an object is called the Fill in the blank of the object. Answer. Displacement. Explanation. In displacement, actual path is not followed, but minimum distance in straight line is taken into consideration. B. Deceleration is fill in the blank acceleration. Answer. Negative. Explanation. If the velocity of an object decreases with time, it is called negative acceleration, that is deceleration. C. When an object is in uniform circular motion, its fill in the blank changes at every point. Answer. Velocity. Explanation. An object in uniform circular motion changes its direction and results into change in displacement. Velocity is the ratio of displacement and time, so its velocity changes at every point. D. During collision, fill in the blank remains constant. Answer. Total momentum. Explanation. According to the law of conservation of momentum, when no external force acts on two interacting objects, their total momentum remains constant. It does not change. E. The working of a rocket depends on Newton's fill in the blank law of motion. Answer. Third. Explanation. Newton's third law. Every action force has an equal and opposite reaction force which act simultaneously. The rocket works on the principle of Newton's third law. 5. Give scientific reasons. A. When an object falls freely to the ground, its acceleration is uniform. Answer. When an object falls freely, the gravitational force acts on it. Near the Earth's surface, this force on a given object is practically uniform. Hence, an object falling freely to the ground has almost uniform acceleration. B. Even though the magnitudes of action force and reaction force are equal and their directions are opposite, their effects do not get cancelled. Answer. Action and reaction forces act on different bodies. Hence, though their magnitudes are equal and directions are opposite, their effects do not get cancelled. C. It is easier to stop a tennis ball as compared to a cricket ball when both are traveling with the same velocity. Answer. The momentum of a body is a product of its mass and velocity. The mass of a cricket ball is greater than that of tennis ball. Hence, the two balls have the same velocity. The momentum of the cricket ball will be greater than that of tennis ball. Also, a cricket ball is harder than a tennis ball. Therefore, it is easy to stop a tennis ball than a cricket ball moving with the same velocity. D. The velocity of an object at rest is considered to be uniform. Answer. The velocity of an object at rest is always zero. Thus, it does not change with time. Hence, it is considered to be uniform. 6. Take 5 examples from your surroundings and give explanation based on Newton's law of motion. Answer. When a bus starts suddenly, the passengers experience a backward jerk due to inertia. Newton's first law, inertia of rest. When a vehicle moves, the mud particles sticking to its wheels fly off tangentially in the sense of motion. Hence, mudguards are fitted to vehicles. Newton's first law, inertia of direction. When a fan is switched off, its blades continue to rotate for some time due to friction with air and internal friction. The fan stops rotating after some time. Newton first law, inertia of motion. The mass of a cricket ball is greater than that of tennis ball. The momentum of the cricket ball will be greater than that of tennis ball. Also, a cricket ball is harder. Therefore, it is easy to stop a tennis ball than a cricket ball moving with the same velocity. Newton's second law. When a bat strikes a ball, the ball also exerts an equal in magnitude and opposite in direction force of reaction on the bat. Newton's third law. Solve the following examples. A. An object moves 18 meters in the first 3 seconds, 22 meters in the next 3 seconds, and 14 meters in the last 3 seconds. What is its average speed? Answer. Data. S1 equal to 18 meter, S2 equal to 22 meter, S3 equal to 14 meter, T1 equal to 3 seconds, T2 equal to 3 seconds, T3 equal to 3 seconds. Average speed equal to total distance traveled upon total time taken. Equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 upon T1 plus T2 plus T3. Equal to 18 meter plus 22 meter plus 14 meter upon 3 second plus 3 second plus 3 second, equal to 54 upon 9 meter per second, equal to 6 meter per second. Therefore, the average speed of the object equal to 6 meter per second. B. An object of mass 16 kg is moving with an acceleration of 3 meter per second square. Calculate the applied force. If the same force is applied on an object of mass 24 kg, how much will be the acceleration? Answer. Data. M1 equal to 16 kg. A1 equal to 3 meter per second square. M2 equal to 24 kg. F equal to question mark. A2 equal to question mark. Formula. F equal to M1 A1 equal to 16 kg into 3 meter per second square equal to 48 Newton. The force acting on the object equal to 48 Newton. Formula. F equal to M2 A2. A2 equal to F upon M2 equal to 48 Newton upon 24 kg equal to 2 meter per second square. Therefore, the acceleration of the object equal to 2 meter per second square. C. A bullet having a mass of 10 gram and moving with a speed of 1.5 meter per second penetrates a thick wooden plank of mass 90 gram. The plank was initially at rest. The bullet gets embedded in the plank and both move together. Determine their velocity. Data. M1 equal to 10 gram equal to 10 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram. U1 equal to 1.5 meter per second. M2 equal to 90 gram equal to 90 into 10 raised to minus 3 kilogram. U2 equal to 0 meter per second. V1 equal to V2 equal to V equal to question mark. By the law of conservation of momentum, M1 U1 plus M2 U2 equal to M1 V1 plus M2 V2. U2 equal to 0 meter per second and V1 equal to V2 equal to V. So, we have V equal to M1 U1 upon M1 plus M2. Therefore, V equal to 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 1.5 meter per second upon 10 into 10 to the power minus 3 plus 90 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilogram. Therefore, V equal to 10 into 1.5 upon 100 meter per second. Therefore, V equal to 0.15 meter per second. Therefore, the speed with which the plank containing the bullet moves equal to 0.15 meter per second. D. A person swims 100 meter in the first 40 seconds, 18 meter in the next 40 seconds, and 45 meter in the last 20 seconds. What is the average speed? Answer. Data. S1 equal to 100 meter, S2 equal to 18 meter, S3 equal to 45 meter, T1 equal to 40 second, T2 equal to 40 second, T3 equal to 20 second. Average speed equal to total distance travelled upon total time taken, equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 upon T1 plus T2 plus T3, equal to 100 meter plus 80 meter plus 45 meter upon 40 second plus 40 second plus 20 second, equal to 225 upon 100 meter per second, equal to 2.25 meter per second. Therefore, average speed equal to 2.25 meter per second.